Come to standing position. Keep your mat parallel to this mat. Means this mat and that mat will be parallel to each other. Parallel means they will make one line like this. These both the mats will look like same. Okay, that is the meaning of parallel. Keep your legs together. Keep your hands tight on the side of your thighs. Yeah. Starting prayer. Inhaling, take the arms sideways up. Where will the hand turn? Till here the hand will be like this. Here the hand will turn. Okay, come once again. From here, inhale, bring the hand up. Here, turn it to the sky. Long, elbow will not bend. All the fingers will be together. All the fingers together. Then exhale to bring to the center of the heart. All the fingers will be together. Don't interlock thumb. Together, not be like this. Be straight. Keep it pressed. Shoulders wide. Chin straight. Close your eyes. Take inhalation. Together. Asato ma sadgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amritam gamaya. Inhaling, take the hand upwards, straight to the sky. All the fingers together. Exhale, bring it down. Where will the hand turn? Open your eyes. See, till here the hand will be like this. At this position it will turn. Okay, do it again. Inhale, take your arm up. See how it turns. Now, exhale, bring it down. Where the palm turn, here it will turn. That's how you have to bring your hand up and down. Straight, look straight in front of you. Do soft jogging at your place. Normal jogging. Mouth should be closed. Change to front jogging. You should not make noise, okay, like this. Don't hit the heel. You should be on the toe. Heel will not hit on the floor. Heel may touch, but it will not hit. Again, slow. Mouth closed. Relax. Keep the feet shoulder distance. So how much ever your shoulder is, that much should be the distance of the feet. Not this much. This is your shoulder. Exactly your shoulder. Bring your hands in front, parallel. Fist close. Wrist rotate. 1, 2. Observe your wrist. 3, 4, 5. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4. You should not drop your hand after this. 5. Now directly fold your elbow. Then touch your elbows in front first. Rotate your shoulder. So you have to inhale when it goes up. While coming down, you take exhale. 3. When your elbow goes up, your chin should not go down. 4. Neck will not move. Neck will be straight only. 5. Opposite side. 1. Make the good circle. 2. Chin kila போக கூடாது. 3. Gayatri. உங்களோட chin இப்படி வருது. 4. Chin straight away. One more round. 5. After that, just put your arms down in the same exhalation. Then arm rotation. 1, 2, big circle. 3, 4, 5. From here, change. 1, 2. Good quality should be there. 3, 4. Take it upwards. And 5. Catch the waist. Push the hip gently forward. Not too much. This much. You want to break it? You're doing this much. Not required. I said gently forward. Then rotate. 1. That's good. 2. So try to get that awareness. 3. You're moving the hip, right? Yeah. 4. Where is the exhalation here, Pooja?
Exhale is back. Inhale is
5.
inhale is back.
Yeah, correct.
Exhale.
1. So when it goes back, inhalation. 2. Good. 3. Nidana. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು? Naveen. 4. And 5. Now your hand is here. You have to move your hands to the back. So what will happen? Your thumb will touch. Thumb is touching, correct? Same distance of the leg. Inhale, bend back. Gently. Exhale, bend forward. Try to go as much as you can. Inhale, bend back. Look back. Wait, no. Exhale, forward. Inhale, back. Exhale, down. Inhale, back. Go, Tanmay. Exhale, down. Bend the body forward. One more. Inhale, back. Reach and exhale, down. Put your head also down. Head also. Head. Now inhale, stand up. Exhale, feet together, hands on the knee. So the knees are together, feet is together, ella touch ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Rotate your knee. 1. So you have to put the quality. 2, 3, 4. You're focusing on the knee. 5. Opposite side. 1. Your own knee, not my knee. Tanmay. 2, 3, 4. One more round. 5. Then inhale, stand up. Okay, just inhale. Exhale, catch the waist. Inhale, take your left foot front. Try to balance first. Rotate your ankle. 1, 2. Ella kade hogbodu. 3. What is the shaking? 4, 5. Ulta. 1. Good. 2. Focus on that. 3, 4, 5. Put your leg down. Inhale, take the other leg in the air. Rotate. 1, 2, 3. Try to balance on one leg. 4, 5. Take it upwards also. No. 1, 2. Look at it. 2. How is it rotating? 3. Or you can just feel with your mind. 4, 5. Exhale. Keep your leg down. Put your hand also down. Walk back. Just 2 or 3 steps, you will reach the back side of your mat. Correct? Inhaling, step the left. Is it back? What? Okay. What? Some down is there? Something. No? Then walk. Inhale. Take your left foot front. How much? 4 feet. Well, who asked you to bend the knee? I did not ask you to bend. Catch your waist. That is 3 feet. Take it a little more back. So the back foot will be slightly angular. Don't take it completely like this. Take it little front. So this is straight. This is little angle. This is an inhalation. So exhale, bend the knee. So the back heel will lift. Straighten your back. Inhale. Look straight. Exhale. Then you'll get balance. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Correct. Exhale. One more. Inhale. and exhale. Stay there. 1, bend now. 2, look straight. 3, 4, 5. Inhale. 1 step, exhale. Hand also will come down. Inhale, take left foot. Now, try to get that same distance. Fracture is there. No? Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Why are you looking at me? Look straight. Inhale. And exhale. Stay here. 1, 2, without kneeling. 3, bend the knee ma. 4, Naveen. Backside leg nodi. Bend madi backside leg. Back heel nodi. Heel mele ide. 5. Inhale. Exhale. Walk forward. Turn to your own left. Left, your left. Now keep your legs away again. How much? 4 feet. Spread, Gayatri. Confused, now inhale, bring the hands in front. Kai munde. Exhale, bend the left knee only. Left. Look straight. Inhale. Exhale, right knee bend madi. Don't lean, Naveen. Inhale. Exhale, left leg bend. Inhale. Exhale, right. 1 more. Inhale. And exhale, left. Stay there. 1, hand straight. 2, 3, 4, little leaning, okay. 5. Inhale, center. Exhale, right side. 1, 2, bend the knee. 3, little straight. 4, look forward. 5, inhale, straighten the knee. Exhale, catch your waist. Inhale, walk a little inside. Reduce the distance. Catch your waist properly. Exhale, jump. Turn and jump. Okay, now sit. Keep your hands back. Shake your legs. Let your head go backwards like that. No, don't keep too much far your hand. Should not be too far, not too close also. Now put your chin down on the chest. Start neck rotation. 1. You inhale going back, exhale coming down. Close your eyes. 2. 3. Backside inhalation, coming down exhalation. 4. Keep the leg relaxed. 1 more round. 5. Now opposite side. 1. Side, back, all the side. 2. Take it back, sideways, everywhere. 3. Try to enjoy. It's a nice rotation. 4. Also that lunging, that heartbeat will reduce. 5. That's it. Now sit straight. Sitting straight means your hand should come by the side of your hip. Hip is here. Sit with your straight back. If you want, no, don't keep only the shoulder up. The chest has to come up like that. Okay? Inhale, bring the hands in front. Sit really on the sit bone. Keep the legs together, point your toes forward. Back straight, Muddy. Straight. You have to rise up on your sit bone. Exhale, twist to the left. Keep the hand down and touch your forehead on the ground. Forehead down. Inhale, sit up. Hands really straight and back straight. Exhale, right. Keep the finger wide open. Inhale, up. Straight your back. Exhale, left. Take the weight on the hand. Inhale, center. Real come up. No, straighten your back. You want to do or not? You straighten your back, no? What happened? Okay, others put your hands down. Is this back straight? Why you're not thinking about it? Bring your back really straight. Exhale, right. Inhale, up. Point your toe, Gayatri. Exhale, left. Now stay there for some time. 1, 2, put your forehead. 3, 4, 5. Inhale, sit up, hands in front. Straighten the back, straight up. Others, put your hands down. Straighten this. Keep the legs together, straight. Now exhale to the right also. I didn't ask you to fall down. Keep your finger open, Naveen. Finger open, wide. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, sit up, straight back, straight hands. Exhale, keep the hands down without rounding the back. Straight. Now lie down. Lie down for loosening practice. Keep the legs together, hands close to the body. Hands, keep your legs together, point your toes forward. Together you have to lift both the legs. Okay, put your head down. Inhale, take both the legs together to 90 degrees. Together lift it up. Now start cycling. 1, 2, keep your neck straight. 3, 4, head down the mat. 5, do cycling. 6, 7, move your feet also. 8, 9, 10, opposite side. 1, 2, change the angle between the feet and shin. 4, proper cycling. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop with the legs in the air. Keep the legs together. Completely bend the knees. Keep your head straight, head straight. Head on the floor, head on the floor. Now interlock your fingers behind your head, all of you. Inhale, lift your head up only. Only head up. Leg should be in the air. Exhale, left elbow touch your right knee. Change, right side. Touch it. Change, left side. Leg will not move. Right side. Left side. Leg be there only. Right side. Only body moves. Left side. Right side. Touch it, touch it. Left side. Naveen, touch it. Right side. Elbow touch the knee. Left side. Right side. 2 more. Left side. Right side. 1 more. Left side and right side. Inhale, keep your head down and hands on the side of your hips on the mat. Exhaling, release both the legs straight karke, bring it down. Yeah, first straighten the leg. Keep your head down. Now keep your leg down. Okay, now inhale, right arm over your head, bend your left leg. Right arm, left leg. Exhale, turn to the ground. Lie down on your stomach. Now keep your palm by the chest. Palm down. Palm down. Now inhale, come to cat pose. Stand up on the knees. Exhaling, turn forward. All of it turn around. Right finger, pressing the floor. Don't keep fingers loose. Give some work to all the finger also. Keep your standing toe. What is standing toe? Like that. Feet apart, feet apart. Feet, knees apart, feet apart, everything away. Now don't change that. You should not change your feet. Inhale, lift your left hand to the sky. Don't change your legs. Straight, Naveen. Exhale, insert between the other hand and the knee. Put your head and shoulder down. Inhale, 2. Slowly reach to the sky. Good, Anju. Exhale, insert. Put the full arm on the floor. Inhale, 3. Push and look at the hand. Exhale, insert. Inhale, 4. Normal breath is okay. Exhale, insert. 1 more time. Inhale, 5. Reach upwards. Stay here. 1, 2. Mele hogbodu. 3, 4. Normal breathing. 5. Exhale, insert. 1, 2. Don't bite lips. 3. Look at the hand. 4. Which end inside the thread. 5. Inhale, come to cat position. Exhale here. Inhale, 1. Reach So you're trying to reach up. So reach it up. Exhale, insert. Inhale, come up again. Full breathing. Exhale. Don't sit, Tanmay. You should not sit. Inhale. Keeping the knee there only, thigh. Exhale. Thigh is not changing. Now put your shoulder down. Inhale. Reach and look at the hand. Exhale. One more last time. Inhale. Now stay there. 1, 2, reach it. 3, high. 4, 5. Exhale. Stay here also. 1, 2, 3, breathe normal. 4, 5. Inhale, come to cat position. Exhale the breath. See, full palm should be pressing. Keep fingers open, wide fingers. See this, like this, you have to keep your finger. Never keep it close. You're pushing, no, you need that strength to do it.
So when you're holding this posture, this hand is slant. little bit.
Yeah, because maybe little offset, no? Yeah. Yeah, because this is a little here and this is there. So a little offset will be there. Now, take an inhalation here. Exhale, keep the elbow down, interlock your fingers. Interlock. Give it, don't look straight. Now, inhale, lift your knees up. Just lift your knees up. Make it straight. Don't look, no, look straight. Now, exhaling, walk your legs back and bring your buttocks straight. Now, stay here. 1. Buttocks down, Gayatri. 2. Don't round your back. Knee straight, knee straight. 3. Maintain. Good position. 4. Look forward. 5. Continue. 6. Don't bite your lips. 7. Knee straight. 8. Knee straight. 9. No smiling. Look straight in front of you. 10. Exhale, knee down. Now keep your palm at the elbow position. Inhale and come to cat pose. See the distance, my distance, your distance. Because of unnecessary changing. See my finger, your finger. What is the distance? Finger should be wide open. Exhale, lift your knee back. Keep your feet here. Don't walk back. Keep it here only. Now straighten your back. 1. Look at your navel. Keep your heel on the mat. 2. Push the floor. Push the floor. Straighten your back. Knee straight. 3. With effort. Close your mouth. 4. I will send you now home. No, I'm really telling. You'll have to go home now if you cannot do anything. 5. See, you have to now step once only, okay? All of you in one step. See how I keep it. Gayatri. Onde step nalli munde barabodu. So 1 and 2. That's all. Why? Okay, all of you go back again. Go to this mountain. In one step, no, that's too far. Your leg should be closer. Keep your hands straighter. Shoulder straighter, wider shoulder, long back. Look between your hands. 1 and 2. Hands. So inhale, head up, head up, head up. Chin up, chin up. Concave your back, concave your back. Exhale, touch your body on the legs. Bend into the legs. Bend it. Now inhale, take your hand up, stand up. Where does the hand turn? No, till here it is like this. Here it will turn and come. I told you in the beginning, no? Exhale to Namaskar. Sorry, from here, exhale to bring it down. So how will it come down? Here it will turn. Now relax. Tuck your shirts. Surya Namaskara coming. Any clarifications, anybody online? Till what we did. Jitna humne kiya, usme koi doubt hai to you can ask. Otherwise, it is already tied only, no? Why removing it? Removing again, tying, removing again, tying. I'm removing. No smiling. Otherwise, I'll send you home. Now itself. Not, I'm telling really.
Sir, one question in Bhunamanasana.
Yeah.
When you're placing your palm on the left or the right position,
Yeah.
does it remain straight or does it is it falling down? How does the hand position remain?
So from here, I keep my hand here and both the elbow will bend. So the weight is on the arm. So my arm is pushing and resisting the weight that goes. So both the elbow will bend and the head will just touch. It need not take the weight. The weight is on this arm. Both the elbow will bend. Like that. Inhale, come up. Bring the arms in front, point your toe. Exhale. So I keep my full palm and taking the weight on the arm, I keep my head down. Like that. This buttocks will lift up. Outer buttocks.
Got it, sir.
Yes? Yeah.
Got it, sir.
Surya Namaskara. Inhale, take the arm up. Sideways. Exhale hard. Close your eyes. I told you all the fingers should be together. Straight, look straight. Take inhalation. Keep your feet together. Oh. Hiranmayena patrena satyasyapi hitam mukham tattvam pushanna pavrano satya dharmaya drishtaye. Inhale, open your eyes. Exhale, look at the nose. All of you take one Ujjayi breath very slowly. Ujjayi breathing. Then, why are you taking unnecessary breath? Look at your nose. Why the chin should be down for looking at the nose? Look at the nose. Your nose, not my finger. Now, take one inhalation. Exhale it. Ekam, inhale, raise your arm and bend back. Bend the arm, body. Dvi, exhale, slowly bend forward. Three, inhale, left leg back, lift your chin to the sky, lift it up. Exhale, take the second leg. It's a straight plank, straight plank. Pancha, inhale, keep the knee. Exhale, sit and fold. Shat, inhale, come. Exhale, the chest will go in front. Inhale, chest up. Everything should be lifted in the air. Ashta. Exhale, lift your back. Look at the navel. Nava, inhaling, left foot to front, other knee down, chin up. Chin ceiling. Exhale, take the other leg. Bend the body. Ekadasha, inhale. Bend back. Exhale. Om Mitraya Namaha. Ekam, inhale. Bend the body back. Dvi, exhale. Look at your nose ideal. Training, right leg. Inhale. Chin up, mele Naveen. Exhale. Slowly, Tanmay. Hands straight. Pancha. Inhale. Exhale. Full sitting, complete sitting. Shut. Inhale. Don't change your hand now. Exhale, chest goes in front. Satta. Change your feet. Inhale. Come on. Lift full upper body. Everything in the air. Shut. Exhale. Nava, right leg front. Inhale, chin up. Stretch your throat. Dasha, exhale. Bend the body into the legs. Ekadasha, inhale. Bend, exhale. Take in breath. Om Ravaye Namaha. Ekam, inhale. Bend the body back then. Three, exhale. Reach forward and deep. Trini, left leg. Inhale, chin up. Arch your back, chin up. Chatwari, exhale. Straight plank. Your hand should be here. Man, put your hand here. No, okay, no, okay. Buttock straight. All of you maintain the position. Straight buttock. Don't dip it. Pancha. Inhale. Exhale. Don't change your hand position. Shan. Inhale. Exhale. Sapta. Inhale. Good, Puja, coming up nicely. Chin up. Ashta. Exhale. Nava. Inhale. Left foot. Chin stretch thyroid. Dasha. Exhale. Body bend into the legs. Ekadash. Inhale. Stretch back. Bend the body. Dvadash. Om Suryaya Namaha. One more. Ekam. Inhale. Bend and stretch. Three. Long exhale. Trini. Right leg. Long step. Inhale. Chin up. Chin up, up. Exhale. Second leg. Shoulder should be above the wrist correctly. Buttocks down, illa. No smiling. Keep it straight. Buttocks down there, little. Now down. Straight barabod. Innu down. Gayatri. Pancha. Inhale. Keep the knee. Exhale. Sit and fold. Complete sitting. Shan. Inhale. Come up. Wide finger. Active palm. Exhale. Chest in front. Knee in chest or chaturanga. Sapta. Change your feet. Inhale. Lift your upper body. Open up. Chest open. Ashta. Exhale. Look towards your navel. Feet on the ground. Nava. Right leg. Inhale. Chin up. Chin goes to the ceiling. Dasha. Exhale. Other leg. Ekadash. Inhale. Stand up. Stretch. Backward. Exhale. Om Bhanave Namaha. Samastiti. Inhale, take your hands straight up. Exhale, bring the hands down. Now, Ashtanga Surya Namaskara, we'll do. Ready? Feet together, hands tight. Tight. Look straight. Now look at the nose. All the fingers together. No life. What yoga? Broken branch. No, smiling is not. What is the excuse? Smiling is telling some joke. Ekam. Inhale, arm up sideways. Change your palm at the shoulder level. Look at your thumb. Reach. Dve. Exhale. Like a bird, you have to come down. Trini. Inhale, head up. Concave. Chatwari. Step back, both the legs. Exhale, go down. No, press, you have to go down. Pancha. Inhale, lift your upper body. Everything in the air. Shut. Exhale. Lift your back. Keep your feet here. Huh? No, you can go home. Go home now. No, I want you to go home. All of you start inhaling. Exhale. One breath is over. Inhale. Exhale. 2. Inhale. Exhale. Keep your feet a little forward. 3. Inhale. Exhale. 4. Naveen. Inhale. Now exhale. 5. Sapta. Step forward, both the legs. Only one step you have to reach. Inhale, head up. Concave, concave. Ashta, exhale, chin on the knee. Nava. Inhale, stand up. Arm up sideways. Change your palm at the shoulder level. Look at your thumb. Samasthiti. Exhale. Om Khagaya Namaha. Where is the drishti? I cannot see anybody. See, I am here only now. Last round. Ekam. Inhale. Change your palm at the shoulder level. Look at your thumb. Lock. Look at the thumb. Where is the thumb? All the fingers together. Dvi. Exhale. Bend like a bird. Lying down. Slowly. Stomach touches first. Trini. Inhale. Head up. You can keep your fingers on the floor. No need to come on the fingertips. If you want, you can come up, no problem. Chatwari. Step back. Exhale and go down. Now try to do a chaturanga. Pancha. Sleep your toes. Inhale, chest up. Everything in the air. Shut. Exhale. Keep your feet grounded. If you kneel down, you can go home today. Keep your legs in front. Here. If you kneel down, I'm going to send you home now itself. Guarantee. Inhale. Exhale. 1. Inhale. Slow breathing. Exhale. 2 breath. Inhale. Exhale. 3. Inhale. Deep breathing. Exhale. One more breathing. Inhale. And exhale. Now, step forward, both the legs. Inhale, head up. Look at your eyebrow, Gayatri. Where is the eyebrow? Ashta. Exhale. Bend the body into the legs. Nava. Inhale, stand up. Arm up sideways. Change your palm at the shoulder. All the fingers. Look at your thumb. Where is the thumb? Samasthiti. Exhale. Om Ushne Namaha. Now, remove your drishti from the nose. Look straight. Keep your feet apart. Bring your hands on the eyes. Open the eyelids. Eye rotate. 1. All the direction you rotate your eyes. 2. Rotate, rotate. 3. Rotate your eyes in all directions. Now rotate. 4. Don't look at me. How will you rotate if you look at me? 5. Rotate all the direction. 1. Other direction rotate. 2. 3, 4. One more complete round. 5. Good. Release your hands and catch it on the waist. Inhale. Look at the nose. Exhale. Look on the wall. Inhale. Nose. Exhale. Wall. Inhale. Nose. Exhale. Wall. I'm looking at that blue dot. Inhale. Nose. My nose. Exhale. Wall. Look at the same point again. Inhale. Nose. Really nose. Stay here. 1, 2. Gazing nose. 3, 4, 5. Now look at the wall in front. 1. Same point. 2. Look at the same. 3, 4. Focus on it. 5. Release. Now, without changing the leg, just bend the knee, hands on the knee. Nothing changes. Why are you looking here? Look down on the mat. Uddiyana Bandha, okay? Keep your elbow straight, back straight, knee bend. Knee bend ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. Your hand should be above the knee, above the knee. Keep it on just above your knee. Okay. Now inhale. Exhale, mouth. Stomach pull, no breath. Inhale over. Exhale, straighten the knee. No mouth breathing after that. Mouth close. Second time. Inhale. Knee straight. Exhale. Stomach pull. Inhale. Exhaling, bend the knee. So your hand position may slide. Try to readjust it. Agnisara Kriya. Inhale. Mouth. Thumb. Inhale. Exhale, knee straight. No mouth breathing after that. Round number 4. Take 2 breaths and be ready. Inhale. Mouth. Start.
Your phone needs a mobile or Wi-Fi connection first.
Inhale. Exhale, knee bend. Elbow straight. Last round, standing Uddiyana. Inhale. Exhale. Full stand. Exhale, bring the hands down. Where will the palm change direction? Here. Exhale. Turn to left. Go to back of the mat. Steady, steady. Keep your legs together. Okay, wait. Take rest. Anybody, any doubts online? We did Surya Namaskar.
Sir, Asvachanchalanasana, can you show me how I can improve coming up. How can that be improved?
Yeah, keep that fingertips on the mat. Many of you, the fingertips are not coming. Relax, Madi. Naveen. So if you are here, any other ideas, puja and all, if you have any other ideas, you can talk. You're here, right? Now, when you take the leg back, take it long, take it good step and keep the knee down and come on the tip of the finger. Don't keep full finger also. Just tip. Don't remove it. Keeping the tip. This leg should be, shin bone should be almost perpendicular. Like this. See, I am almost looking there. I mean, through my eyebrow, like that. I cannot speak because I'm trying to stretch here. Yeah, all of you can do that step. Can you do that step? So in your case, your leg, no, okay. Now you go to mountain position. Mountain position. போங்க அங்க இருந்து ஒரு கால் முன்னாடி வரும்போது எங்க வரணும் அந்த கால் பாருங்க இங்க வரணும் கால் உங்களுடைய முறை அவ்வளவு வரணும் சின்ன அப் மேடி மாடி நீங்க இப்படி உட்காருதுன்னு பாருங்க your step is like this no your leg should be behind keep your leg in front this should be perpendicular like that keep only the tip അതാണ് ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞത് അങ്ങനെ വെക്കുന്നു ഇങ്ങനെ ഇരിക്കാൻ പാടില്ല don't sit on the legs this leg is not for sitting so if you sit you can see that this is all gone all the stretch is gone you have to sit only on the back and like that so this should be straight so bottom of your thigh will stretch upper thigh on the other leg will stretch all this area will stretch if you sit like this it will come only on the back it's not a back stretching asana this Ashwasanchalana it will do all these things in one shot keep only the fingertips Divya okay
Got it, sir.
yeah show me no only fingertip chin up other knee down you're keeping too long keep this leg back others relax keep this leg back keep that knee down chin up come only on the fingertips take your body up there is no this thing you have to put effort chin up come only the weight should be on the leg not on your hand straighten your elbow he's not able to and no see your weight is on the leg here see the weight is taken by this leg hand is not taking weight other knee down you are sitting like this don't do it chin up just to come with experience exhale take the other leg back no don't change the hand position it was here straight it should be perpendicular your arm should be firm buttock straight inhale keep the knee forward keep it front don't walk see I did not walk I just kept it front keep the knee front now exhale sit back don't change your hand correct now inhale come forward straighten your elbow now bend your elbow backwards and bring the chest in front buttocks up look at my buttocks here down up. Change your feet keep it like this apart inhale lift your chin and no see here the chin and chest is together it comes like this then it opens up like that. Exhale inhale bring your right foot one step no see go back so when you keep the leg it has to come see between the hand this knee down chin up keep a fingertip elbow straight lift it up it's an effortful lift heel down heel on the mat chin up exhale deep go into inside inhale stand up arm up back put your hand back bend the body put your head back exhale to namaskar okay relax any other
Thank you,
doubts
sir.
anybody yeah
When you do this Agnisara Kriya, how do we know that we are churning it right? Or like how to improve the churning? Right?
Navli kriya or Agnisara kriya
Nauli Kriya. I mean,
So you will feel that, no, the stomach comes in center first. Then it will rotate. It will move left side, right side. It will move like that when you churn.
Okay. Okay. By experience, it will come.
It will come with experience. I have shown it in many classes. You want, I can show. You want me to show?
No, I know the process.
Yeah.
Just how to know that I am doing it right. Like
You'll actually feel that your stomach is, moving, churning. First it comes center, right? That's called Madhyama Navli. Both the side here and here will be vacuum. Center will be the stomach. Now, Vama Navli, it will move to right side. Dakshina Navli, left side. You can move your stomach. Then Chalana Navli. It will come like that. You will be able to move your that stomach like that. You will be able to see one bridge in the center.
Okay.
You will be able to see it. Then you will understand that churning is correct. Please put in silent mode.
I think we can look at the mirror and practice it.
No. Looking mirror gone. You will not be able to hold it inside. If you look at your stomach, also difficult. If you look at the up, also difficult. You may not be able to. Mirror is still okay, but don't look at the stomach. Mirror is fine, no problem. But if you look at the stomach, know that that feeling you'll not be able to do it properly. So when you bring that stomach, you can observe my stomach. I'll show it once. I'll show you that Madhyam Navli. Just observe, okay, how I bring the stomach. It's visible, no? It's visible.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, now I inhale, okay? Exhale. You see that thing coming in center?
Yeah.
That's called Madhyama Navli.
Yeah, this is fantastic.
You can see that center, this side, rotating. So that is Navli Kriya. So I also was not able to do it actually, long back. Somewhere, I don't know when I started doing it. Someday.
Someday it happened.
I don't even remember when I was able to do it. See, because I used to keep trying. I was not bothered about the result. When I was able to do, I was not bothered. I never thought that I will be able to do it also. Automatically it came.
It comes only on one side.
One side it comes, right? It's okay.
Side that way, my hip was also big.
Yeah, see, it is okay to change the pressure of the arms. If you can change the pressure of the arms, little physical action may be required to get that movement.
That's what it happens to me. My hip also rotate a little bit.
So the trick lies in that center. If you can bring it, focus on that bridge. You focus on it. Whether you can move that, focus on that. If you focus on that part, it will work.
Okay. Yeah.
Don't focus on hip or hand. Try to move it first. That bridge.
I think it's much better in the mornings.
Yes, correct.
Yeah, mornings are better. Evenings.
Yes, perfectly. What she told is correct. Early morning, there is nothing, right? You will feel really nice to do it. I remember when I do in the early morning, it was far more effective. Now it's not that effective because I had lunch at 1. It's 5 o'clock now.
Yeah. Okay.
Any other queries? Any no queries. Naveen, all doubt clear, no? Okay, no problem. It's okay. Now turn to left. Your left. Go to left. You want to keep bricks? Anybody bricks? Yeah, keep the bricks if you want. Bricks easy. Here to brick haki. 4 feet distance you have to keep. Now keep. Not there. No, behind. Here. Here one brick. Here the other brick. Not that much. 4 feet enough. Now when you keep, stand in front of the left brick. Correct. Left brick munde. Brick back side, Prabhu. Alignment ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? ಎರಡು ಬ್ರಿಕ್ ಒಂದೇ ಲೈನ್ ಇರಬಹುದು. Now stand in front of your left brick. Straight.
Sir,
Yes, who is that?
Sarita.
Rita, बोलिए.
Sir, tell me Soumi Bhardwaj and Adhomukh Virasan.
वो अभी आएंगे. अधोमुख वीरासन, भरद्वाजासन दोनों करेंगे हम लोग. ठीक है, वेट कीजिए.
Okay, sir.
बैठ जाइए, मैट पे आ जाइए.
Okay.
समस्थिति. Now take one inhalation. Hands tight. Ekam. Exhale, take your right leg out. Brick to brick. Okay, you can take 1 or 2 breaths, no problem, because I'm not going in a flow. Okay, I'm just checking all the things so that you can take time. Hands on the waist, Naveen. Now that was done with exhalation. Now on the next inhale, turn your foot and look over the shoulder. You don't turn your shoulder. Look there now. Turn your foot completely that side. Now exhale, bend this knee, keep your right hand on the right side. Wait. You look at your hand, don't look at my hand. So this thigh is 90 degree. Is your right armpit touching your thigh, all of you? Right armpit touching the right thigh? Now inhaling, stress the left arm on the ear. So your body, your arm and your hand will make a straight line. Now stay there. Exhale. Look at your hand. Inhale. Time ele nodabodu. 1. Exhale. Full hand down on the floor. Inhale. Look at this hand. 2 breath. Exhale. Stretch the hand now. Inhale. 3 breaths over. Exhale, left hand back. Where did you change your leg for that? Leg was correct only now. Look down, look down. Look here on this leg. Now inhale, stand up. Catch your waist. Looking, no, don't turn your shoulder. Shoulder will be like this. Now inhale, exhale, turn your foot and look forward. Now inhale, turn your other leg and look over the shoulder. Don't take unwanted things. Exhale, bend your knee, keep your left hand. Only left hand. This hand is on the waist. Bend the knee properly. Correct the position you have to keep it. Keep it properly, full finger. Now inhaling, stretch the right arm on the ear. Look at the hand. Exhale, bend the knee properly. Now take the weight on the leg. Inhale. Your leg distance should not be too much. Exhale. Yeah, put effort. Inhale. One more breath. Exhale. Weight on your hand, all of you. Inhale, on your leg. Now exhale, bring the hand back, right hand back. Look down, catch it on the waist. Inhale, stand up, catch your waist, looking over your shoulder. Exhale, turn your foot. Look forward. Now inhale, turn the other foot, full body turn to the right. Now full body. Keep the leg straight. Others take extra breath. Now exhale, you have to bend this knee and keep this armpit on the thigh. So keep it like that. So other heel should be again put back in position. Okay. Now inhaling, stress the right arm. Like that. Try to bend the knee. Inhale. Twist your body. 1. Exhale, other heel down. Heel. Good. Inhale. Puja doing that well. One more breath. Exhale. Other heel down. Inhale. Stretch your hand. Now, exhale, right hand back. Inhale, stand up, catch your waist. Exhale, turn your foot and body forward. Don't keep your leg too far, Tanmay. It should be 4 feet only. Catch your waist. No, that's too far. See my distance? This is enough. You're keeping too far away. Leg, not brick. Catch your waist. Look straight in front. Now inhale, turn your left foot. Full body turn right. Full body turn left. That's too far. See the distance? This is enough. Keep your knee straight. Now exhale, bend this knee, keep the armpit, right armpit. Use this hand to push and keep the armpit on the thigh. Like that. Now, good. Take your time to do that. Now inhaling, stretch the left arm on the ear. Like that. Exhale. Look at your hand. Inhale. 1. Stay on. 2. 3. Exhale, hand back. Only this left hand comes. Inhale, stand up, catch your waist. Exhale, turn your foot, look forward. Inhale, reduce the distance between the legs to 3 feet. Don't remove your hand. Stand properly, keep your legs a little away. Exhale, jump. Okay, now stand straight. All of you sit down. Vajrasana. हाँ रीता आ जाओ, बैठ जाओ. Sit straight, keep your back straight. Hands in Dhyana Mudra. What is that? Some selling, huh? Okay, now what is the asana? Next asana, this spreading, what is it called? Adho Mukha? I'm smiling. Sit straight. Sit straight. Sit straight. Paining. Where? Knee. Okay. Okay, now ekam. See, Adho Mukha Virasana में पीछे की भाग हिलेगा नहीं. Inhale, keep the knees apart. खाली नी बाहर आएगा. मतलब पीछे जो बटक्स के नीचे था वो तो वहीं पे रहेगा. वो आप उसको फैलाते थे पहले. अभी नी को और फैलाइए. कितना आएगा डिस्टेंस? मैट का डिस्टेंस में आएगा. बराबर है? आ गया? हाँ. Now exhaling, bend forward, keep your forearm on the mat. कहां रखेगा? घुटने के एकदम सामने. मतलब आग बहुत आगे नहीं. कितना? उतना हाइट पे आ गया. अभी यहां से हाइट नीचे नहीं जाए. See, it is here in front of the knee. Front of the knee. Keep it on in front of your knee. What are you doing? I am not able to understand. Now inhaling, stretch your arms without lowering the body. मतलब हाथ आगे गया, शरीर नीचे नहीं गया. Body did not go down. See, I was here. See, this is exhalation, keeping the elbow, right? Now inhale is to take the arm forward, extend the body. See, this is extension. It is not flexion. Now ivaga naan ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ என்ன பண்ணேனா இங்க இருந்து ಕೈ எடுத்து முன்னாடி வெச்சது அவ்வளவுதான். அது why did I do that? I extended my body form. Now exhale and lay down. So extension and flexion. Chin on the floor. Inhale. So AD, our heel is touching the buttocks. Exhale. Try to bring chin to the, look at your eyebrow. Inhale. So I'm actually lying down between my thighs. Exhale. Look towards the bindi. 2. Inhale, finger wide open. Exhale. Keep it inwards. Mat distance only. Now sit. Inhale. Flat, flat. Elbow straight. Exhale. I want you to flatten like that. 4. No, don't come up. It will break your bone. Inhale. Stretch your elbow, Rita. Elbow straight karo, elbow. Exhale. Now what should I do? From here, inhale, only head up. Head up, थोड़ा सा chest ऊपर आएगा बस. Exhale करते करते दोनों हाथ को घुटने के मतलब elbow को घुटने पे ले जाइए. वहां पे exhale हो गया. बराबर है? अभी inhale करके बैठ जाइए. Keep your hands on your thighs. Hands on your thighs. Exhaling, join your thighs. Okay? Now we will do it once again without staying there. Okay? Ready? Inhale, knees apart. You don't have to sit up for all that. Just sit properly. Exhale, keep the forearm on the mat. बस. Inhale, हाथ को लंबा करो. नहीं लेटने का नहीं. देखो लेट गया आपने. आप you have to just stretch your body forward. You're not supposed to go down. Exhale and go down. Yeah, chin. Now inhale, head up. Exhale, pull the arms on the mat. Bring it close to the knees. Now inhale, sit up. Keep your hands on your thigh. Exhale, join your thighs. Dhyana mudra. Inhale, come up on the knees. One foot. Exhale, bend back. Ushtrasana. Inhale. Put your head back. Exhale. அப்படி கிடையாது நவீன பட்டக்ஸ் முந்தே ಹೋಗಬಹುದು. Inhale. Good, Pooja. Exhale. Keep your weight forward. 2. Inhale. That's good. And exhale. Good. Now inhale, stand up, catch your waist. Exhale, join the knees and sit down. Sit, Vajrasana. Don't fall down. Take inhalation. You can sit to the left. Already sit to the left. Exhale, release the legs in front of you. Is it clear, Rita Kumari? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes.
उत्तर आ गया आप. Last में Rita started speaking. Very good.
Sir, I had one question on Ushtrasana only.
Yeah.
So, sir, how do you hold your ankles? Like, what is the grip of your ankles? Are you holding ankles or heels?
Yeah, I think both are fine. Ankle is difficult. Heel is easy. See, heel is taller here, no? Heel is taller. So when you go to the ankle, it is more intense. You actually, ankle is better when you do Ushtrasana. Because
And you're holding,
Yeah.
And you're holding full all fingers, like you're holding it like two poles, right?
yes. Complete hand holds on that, like that.
Okay.
This is far more superior compared to this.
Hmm.
When I hold my heel, I turn my palm like this. When I hold my ankle, it's facing front like that. Like that.
Okay.
It is, if you find it difficult, you can do this. Beginners, especially Nivella, Navinalla, either Madodi. Okay, this is fine. This is fine. You don't have to do this. Or you can do this much also. Ardhushtrasana. That's also fine. Okay.
Okay.
Now, everybody pick up the pillow, sit in, so not pillow, pick up one bricks. Let me tell you how to do this. Rita, show me first. First, all of you sit Vajrasana. One challenging posture. You have to jump out. Sit. Brick here. Don't bite lips. Straight back. Sit straight. Paining, huh? Ankle pain, okay, no. After some time, it'll be okay. Even you are in Vajrasana now, everybody. You have to lift your Vajrasana and cross. I'm showing once. Everybody try 2-3 times. She may be able to do it. So from here, I don't want your leg to come out. First lift, then cross. I'm showing you once. Okay, don't do it now. Keeping the elbow straight, I pick up. All of you try. Pick up. That's it. Cross out. Yes, you got it right. Puja. Not like that. Lift, Madi. Lift everything in there. Coming. Where is Rita? Rita, try करो. दिखाओ मुझे कैसे करना है. ब्रिक किधर है? आपका है ना घर पे तो ब्रिक किधर गया? आया नहीं. ऑर्डर नहीं किया किधर आएगा? Puja got it. Now same way. Cross your legs on your chest. You cross it. Keep your hands on the bricks. Okay. Pick up. Jump. No, in the chest, you have to pick up the body. Pick up. Full pick up. No, don't put your leg down. Without putting the leg down, pick up in the air. Pick up first. Okay. Same way. Anybody wants to try once? Pick up. First, cross it on the chest. Cross it. Bring it close to your chest. Hug it on your chest. Then keep your hand down. Lift your buttocks now in the air. Okay. Okay. Same way. See. Lift up. Bring it to the, see, the idea is to bring your thigh to stomach. Bring it. Yeah, thigh to stomach. Correct. Now cross out. You got it right. See, when that thought came in the mind, it's working. So bringing your thighs to stomach. It'll come. Your core muscle has to bring that down. Okay.
And then you lift that from here also comes towards your hip.
Yes. It has to come to the chest. Cross it as much close into the body as possible. If from here you pick the entire body like this, like that. That's it. Yeah. Same way. Now try without the brick also. Yeah. Pick it up. Cross out. That's it. Okay. Relax. Hands back. Shake your legs. Now Bharadwajasana. कैसे करेंगे दिखाता हूं. पहले रीता बैठ जाओ. Sit straight. Back straight. Even if there is no hand, you should be able to sit straight. Chest up, shoulder wide. Keep your legs together, point your toes. Inhaling, दोनों पैर को लेफ्ट में फोल्ड कीजिए. दोनों घुटना जमीन पे टच होगा. बराबर है? वहीं पे रुकना ठीक है. So look at my feet, okay रीता. ये जो शिन बोन है ऊपर वाला पैर का, वो शिन बोन ये जो फीट है उसके ऊपर रहेगा. बराबर है? Is it correct? तो one leg feet will be pointing पीछे की तरफ, दूसरा जो पैर है साइड की तरफ. बराबर है? करेक्ट. लेकिन घुटना जो आगे का दोनों घुटना का अगर एक लाइन मारेगा यहां से, इफ यू मेक वन लाइन, ये लाइन और मैट का सामने का लाइन एक ही रहेगा. करेक्ट. अभी एक्सेल करते करते ना आप आगे की तरफ बैठ जाओ. सेम. दोनों घुटना नीचे, दोनों घुटना जमीन. एक्सेल, ट्विस्ट टू द राइट साइड. My knees are in the left. Why? What are you doing? This toe pointed backwards. Sab Ramayan hone ke baad you will ask who is Ram, who is Sita. Simply don't trouble me. Twist it left. The right hand nahi, घुटने के नीचे side से आएगा रीता. I'll show you. Now look at my hand. यहाँ से बाहर से अंदर घुसाओ. आगे से नहीं बराबर है. Side twisting is correct. अंदर नीचे घुसाओ. अभी ट्विस्ट करो पीछे की तरफ. बराबर. आगे देखो लाइन पे आ गया. Take it from the side, Pooja, from the outer edge. Here. See, I am using two forces. See, that one. So I use. No, put it here. So what is, see, it's simple engineering. See, you are putting here, pushing this and pulling the body like that. The two opposite forces, bulge and twist. पीछे की तरफ देखो रीता. Now exhale. Inhale, untwist, release your hands and look forward. दोनों हाथ रिलीज हो गया. Exhale, both the legs out. Sit straight. Inhaling, fold to the other side. तो घुटना ध्यान दीजिए, घुटना दोनों जमीन पे, घुटना का एक लाइन मारेगा तो आगे का मैट का पैरेलल होगा. बराबर है? घुटना देखो, बराबर है ना? घुटना है कि किधर? आपका घुटना एडी में है क्या? कितना घुटना है आपका? दो ही तो मेरा है. घुटना सामने है. आप एडी में देखे घुटना देख रहा है, सर्च कर रहा है. Exhaling, take your left hand back, right hand below the left knee. Man, not put your left knee below the left knee. Not from the front, from the outer edge. Bahar se, like that. Pitch, your hand should be at the back. Twist your body. Take two up. Don't look at me. Look there. Bulge your chest. Where is this? Has to come. Look back. Look back now. Open your chest. Now all of you exhale. Good. Now inhale, look forward, release the hands. Keep your hands on the mat. Exhale, release your legs in front. Now aa jao. Rita, come to your this one. Mic पे आ जाओ. Close to the mic. All of you, show me that Ujjayi breathing. First, Rita, show me. I'm going to show you once. Then you others show me. At least Rita has to do it. दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है. आ जाओ कैमरा के सामने आ जाओ. आपका हाथ दिख रहा है. चेहरा दिखाओ ना. हाँ, keep the camera up. कैमरा चेहरा दिखाइए. चेहरा. No, चेहरा is not there. और थोड़ा कैमरा उठाइए ऊपर की तरफ. मतलब लैपटॉप को ऊपर कीजिए. और ऊपर, और ऊपर, और ऊपर. नहीं तो थोड़ा दूर जाइए. You can go back. थोड़ा सा पीछे जाइए आप, रीता. हाँ, अभी दिख रहा है. अभी मैं आपको सांस दिखा रहा हूं. मैं कैसे इनहेल कर रहा है, एक्सहेल कर रहा है. You have to show me once, okay? एक्सहेल हो गया. Now I'm going to inhale. One more. Now show this breathing. दिखाइए दिखाइए. चलेगा. थोड़ा सा डर लगेगा. नो प्रॉब्लम. मैं आपको खाने वाला नहीं कुछ. I'm not going to eat you and all. Even if you make mistake, no problem. एक बार सांस तो वो आवाज मुझे सुनना है. आंख बंद कीजिए. इधर कुछ आवाज ही नहीं आ रहा. हाँ, आप तो म्यूट पे है शायद. म्यूट पे है. म्यूट को निकाल दीजिए. हाँ, नाउ ट्राई अगेन. कोई आवाज नहीं आ रहा है. कोशिश कीजिए. और एक बार कोशिश कीजिए. ऑल अदर्स ट्राई. एवरीबॉडी ट्राई. एक्सेल. Inhale. Exhale. Are you going to toilet here? And then do properly. One more. Inhale. Exhale. रीता, थोड़ा कुछ तो आपका बच्चे का आवाज तो आ रहा है. आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा है. बच्चा कोई साउंड बता रहा है. हाँ, हाँ, तो आपका होमवर्क दे रहा हूं आपको. रीता, योर होमवर्क आई एम गिविंग यू नाउ टुडे. यू हैव टू रिकॉर्ड दिस साउंड. आप किधर भी बैठ के आराम से बैठ के, अभी सब लोग देख रहे हैं ना, आपको डर रहेगा. सिट सम प्लेस. आपको ये आवाज रिकॉर्ड करके मेरे को भेजना है. चलेगा? है? पहले ये सीख के एकदम बराबर सीख के रिकॉर्ड करके भेजो पहले मुझे. बाकी सब बराबर हो गया. ठीक है? हाँ, यू कैन गो टू द मैट. सिट आराम से. You have to record, practice, record and send me. Now, all of you, we will do Setubandhasana Chakrasana. Okay? First Sarvangasana, from there, direct Setubandhasana Chakrasana. Okay, we'll do. First Sarvangasana, then coming back, Setubandhasana, catch your this thing, change your hands and go to the class. Okay, right now. First, your legs together, hands on the side of your thighs. Look straight above your head, straight on the ceiling. Legs together, point your toes forward, Gayatri. आप म्यूट कीजिए वेदा कुमारी. Mute your mic. Very good. Now, all of you lie down, keep your legs tight, hands tight, back straight. For no excuse. If you lift your hips, you'll be out of today's class. I'll send you home. Directly I'll send you. Inhaling, take your arm over your head. Keep it on the ground. Sita. Exhaling, point your toes forward. Keeping the legs tight and buttocks and all will be tight. Now, if you see your lower back is slightly arched, it will be in the air. Observe, when you lift your legs up, आपका lower back नीचे touch होगा. Observe it. Inhale, lift you without bending the knee. Don't laugh, don't smile in the class, not a smiling class. Inhale, without bending the knee, lift both the legs up 90 degree position. Bring it to 90 degree. Lift it up, 90 degree. Now bring it straight. Keep your legs together. Don't lift your buttocks. Now keep your legs together. Legs together. Arms over your head. Legs together. Together. Keep your knees straight. Keep your knees straight. Both the knees straight. Now exhale. Bring the hands down. All of you bring your hands down. Your legs should be 90 degrees. Okay? Knees straight, Gayatri. Everybody knees straight. Inhaling. Lift your hips up and support your back. Now straighten your legs up. Look at your toe. Push your hip up in the air. You have to lift your hip up. Lift it up the neck. No, toilet is not there. Lift it up. Don't use unwanted sound. Now, exhale, take your leg down to the head side. Knee straight. Interlock your fingers on the mat. Try, Naveen. Your hands are on the mat, not on the head. All of you support your back. Inhale, come back to Sarvangasana. Lift your leg back to the sky. Lift it up, straight up, straight up. Exhale, bring your hips down. Hips down, Gayatri. Now, inhale, take your arms over your head. Keep the legs straight. Don't lift your hip down. Legs straight, 90 degree, legs together. Together, join your legs. Look at your toe, look at your toe. Keep the knee straight, buttocks down. Buttocks down. Keep it there. Now, exhale, bend your knees and keep it at shoulder distance. Bend your knees down, keep it at shoulder distance. Inhale here. Exhale, bring the hands down and catch your, why are you lifting the head for that? Just bring, just bring your hands down. Move your leg inwards. Leg inwards and catch your hand. No, without lifting the head. Keep your head there only. Bring the hands down, catch your hand. So what is the need for lifting the head? Catch it. Now inhale, lift, all of you lift your hips up. Lift your hips up. Exhale. Naveen, inhale. No catching. You have to catch your ankle only. Exhale. Good. Inhale. Now, on the next exhalation, insert one hand below your hip like a pillar. एक हाथ को कमर के नीचे पिलर की तरह लेके आइए. अभी एक inhale करके दूसरा हाथ bring the other hand also below your hips like a pillar. दोनों हाथ pillar आए. Okay. Now inhaling, straighten the legs. पूजा. दोनों पैर को सीधा करो. Your weight will come on the shoulder, on your elbow. एक एल्बो अंदर रहेगा रीता, शरीर के नीचे रहेगा. मेरा एल्बो देखो बाहर नहीं है. Keep your legs together, legs together, legs together. Join your legs. Weight will be on your arm. It's very easy actually. What about Pooja? You do it?
Yes.
Okay, good. Now inhale, walk your legs back to Setubandha position. Okay, walk your legs back. Okay. Exhale, change your hand. Try to push it behind the, besides the ears on the floor. No other change. Your buttocks are high only. Keep your buttocks high. Now inhale, lift up Chakrasana. Come on, full body lift up. Walk your legs inside. Yeah, good. Exhale. Yeah, walk your legs inside. Inhale. That's good. Exhale. Good. Inhale, all of your heels up. Now exhale, come back. Inhale, release the legs first. Exhale, put your hands down. You have to lift it, no? That is easy for you. Now, all of you, we are going to do standing chakrasana, roping chakrasana with the help of rope. You don't want to tell me now itself. I don't want you to do. First, Tanmay. Come, Tanmay, come. Show me chakrasana first. You have to stay there only, Tanmay. No, come on. Come. Now drop. Keep the legs away. Legs away. Don't take weight. Don't bend the body. Push your hip forward. Hip forward, body back. No. Correct. Correct. Hip forward. Not like the hip. The hip. Push your hip forward. Now put your head back. No forward. Stay there. Properly. Till tomorrow you will stay like this. Come here. Don't want to. Anju, ready now? No, she's afraid of me. Pooja ran away. Straight back. Okay. Okay. Show me chakrasana. Rita, किधर है chakrasana दिखाओ एक बार. हाँ chakrasana कीजिए. Lay down. Inhale, arms over your head. Exhale, keep your legs straight. Point your toes. वापस बैठ गया. Now inhale, bend your legs, keep it away from each other. Away, दूर रहो. और दो. Exhale, keep your hands by the ears. कान के साइड में. दबाओ दोनों हाथ को नीचे जमीन पर. और थोड़ा हाथ को फैलाइए. अभी उठाओ. आ जाओ चक्रासन. बस पूरा हाइट में. बराबर. Very good. Stay there for some time. Pooja, ready to come on? Okay. Lay down, Chakrasana. Take your own Chakrasana. Come. Slowly back up to standing. I got you. Guarantee, not push and keep it forward. Deep breaths. 2. That's it. 3. 4. 5. Yes. Very good. Okay, that's fine. You are able to do it well. Now, when you drop back, the arch was forward. Yes. Are you do it on the wall?
Like that.
You're able to do?
No.
Then? Now, try, no? Huh?
Try.
Now, what's that? Right there. What about Vrishtikasana? Anybody? If there any doubts online, anybody else? Gopi, Divya, Rita, only 3 people, all follow people.
Nothing from my end, sir.
Over, no?
All clear.
Good. Anju and Gayatri, try to run Panagana. I agree. Rita, very good. Nala, I do. Down. Slowly. Go up, elbow bend. Elbow bend. So you see, when you go down, don't come front. You have to use the hand strength only. When you do this. When you go up, inhaling, like, so bend the elbow and come. See this one. Got it? You are doing somewhere like this and going. So from here, try to go directly. Like that. Like that you do. Okay, then only there are trapezius muscles here. Trapezius is there. That muscle has to work when you push and come. Right. Now go down, bending the elbow. Elbow bend, elbow bend. Elbow bend, panni, you are. But let's do it. No problem. That muscle has to become stronger. That's the reason. Okay. Now we will do Bhastrika Pranayama. Sit in Vajrasana. Yeah. So I wanted you to do that Vrishchikasana now. I mean, maybe next class will get easy. Vrishchikasana, elbow, forearm balance. Remember, have you done that earlier? Want to try once? It's continuation of the back. Come to the, yeah, keep this on the wall. Yeah. Now, put your forearm on the mat. Chin up, okay? Chin up, forearm, complete elbows. Now, lift your knees up. Just lift your knees up. Forearm on the mat, knees up. Yeah, chin up, chin up. And give me one leg. Give me one leg. I'll move catch this. Other leg, take on your. Yeah. Chin up, chin up. Try to look forward. One. Two. You don't drop your shoulder downwards. 3, keep it high. Okay. 4, chin up, chin up. 5, try to make it. 6, hold on. Till then you have to sit. 7. That's good. Rebalance. 8. The forearm balance. 9. Keep one leg down. Relax. Now show me that. Okay, Shirshasana. Headstand.
Sir, one query. Is it possible to do Vrishchikasana with Shirshasana? Sir, by doing Shirshasana, can I do Vrishchikasana also?
Yeah, some people do it, but I think it's more difficult. Some people do that after Shirshasana, they will lift the head. But changing that elbow and all, it's tough. Ideally, you have to shoot in that position only. From here only. So you balance on the forearm. So the firm grip of the forearm and the shoulder is required.
What is the preparation process for this asana?
See, you have to do it on the wall. See, now Pooja did it on the wall. No, she was. So you have to go to the wall, do the same thing against the wall. Hit your, keeping that forearm, take your leg up and try to rest it on the wall. Same method. So first you have to do Shirshasana, which you are practicing now. Keep on getting that inverted, position. Gradually, you will be able to get that upper body strength. All these Chaturanga, all these are important. Okay, keep going.
Okay, sir.
It's going down, no? Because you're not keeping it firm. So try to keep it firm, chin up, and shoot your leg over your head.
And the core is
Yeah, it will take. Yeah, and see, first time when I did, I fell back, correct? Because my feet slipped here. I did not get the launching force. And my core did not catch that weight. So sometimes you may overshoot. So that's, yeah. It's better to do against the wall.
Someone can use the leg.
Yeah. Just like I helped you now.
And your hand is like this. sir.
I get that grip here. So I get so that it doesn't go in.
You're touching the thumb.
Yeah, sometimes if you don't do it, it will become like this. So keep this firm, grip firm. Keep the chin over your head. When the leg goes up, keep your head a little low. When it crosses, then take the head up. Yeah. See, it crossed. Then I took my chin up. Like that. You got it? See, I am using the body weight to arch my back.
To make it look so easy.
Yeah, because see, I remember when I was in college, I used to struggle on this. I'm telling you, when I was in college, no, at least I remember 2-3 years I used to try this. Every time I try, I will fall that side or I will not reach there. So with experience, without my knowledge, I learned it. So like that, you have to. I was not behind. I mean, apne aap aa gaya. ऐसा है. I remember I
Sir,
used to.
one check.
Yeah.
Sorry, sir. One check on Parivarta Pashva Konasana. Now with that trick, I am able to lock my hand actually, able to get it, but I'm not able to place my arm on the mat, sir. It's in the air actually.
That is fine.
And the twisting, I think I need to improvise that, sir. So how do I do that twisting improvisation?
So each exhale, try to spin the body upwards. This position. So are you drawing like this, keeping the knee and keeping the hand?
Yes, sir. In fact, this helped me a lot actually.
Okay. So once you are here, when you take the arm over the ear, you are straightening the leg, whatever possible, correct? Now here, try to keep the arm above the head level like this. So keep on twisting upward. So try to bring this shoulder up like that. Keep on twisting. Each exhale, try to spin the body. Bring the chest outside your thigh, outside, chest outside. So this
Okay, I will try.
Yeah, theory may not work. So see this chest, I clear it, no? I clear it outside like this. So my chest is out. I try to do like that. That's, I think with experience, it has to come.
Okay, sir. We'll try that again.
Okay. See this fellow sitting. How will you improve? When you will improve after 25 years? Huh? You're sitting like this. Please understand, we're not going to help. Sit with straight always. Okay. Now Bastrika. Thumb inside. Finger around your thumb. Back of the wrist. Here. Push it. So inhale, chest comes up. Don't round your back. Correct. Close your eye. Continue. Correct. Eyes close, eyes close. Correct. Rita, try. रीता कोशिश तो करो, थोड़ा सा करो, ज्यादा मत करो. हल्का सा करो, मतलब हम लोग 4 बार करेंगे तो आप 1 बार करो. हाँ, करेक्ट गायत्री. Now slow down. Relax. Dhyana mudra. Close your eyes. Can you close, Madi? Close your eyes. Okay, relax. Open your eyes. Anything else? With that, we close. Okay, namaste. Thank you for coming. Close your eyes. Oh. Together. Purnamada Purnamidam. Close your eyes. Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Bow down and thank God. Please bow down. Thank to karo. 10 count, 10 count there. Rita has to 10 count. From the heart, whatever you could do today is because of the grace of God. God has allowed you to do it. Because of that, you are able to do it. Okay, like that. Okay, thank you. Namaste. Bye bye. Namaste.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye, Divya. Thanks for joining. Rita, thanks for joining. And Gopi and family, thanks for joining.